Kashmiris globally observed India's Independence Day as a Black Day. Protests were held to denounce the region's illegal occupation. The All-Party Hurriyat Conference stated India has no moral right to celebrate independence in the region. The protests also highlighted the revocation of IIOJK's special status in 2019. In other Jammu and Kashmir, rallies were held in cities like Muzaffarabad. Protesters carried black flags and chanted slogans against India. A cloudburst in a remote Kishtwar village caused a devastating flash flood. The death toll is 52, with over 100 people still missing. The disaster occurred near the Machel Mata temple, sweeping away an Indian army camp, vehicles and shops. Officials expect the death toll to rise as rescue efforts still continue. An article by Dr. Ghulam Nabi Fai argues the lasting peace in Kashmir requires international recognition of the region as a disputed territory. He noted that the UN previously recognized the dispute and that India has violated agreements for a plebiscite. Meanwhile, political leaders are hopeful for the restoration of statehood. Farooq Abdullah expressed hope the Supreme Court would restore it, while Minister Satish Sharma appealed to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The US has threatened to impose more tariffs on India if talks between US President Donald Trump and Russian President Vladimir Putin fail. US Finance Secretary Scott Bessent said India could face additional sanctions for importing Russian oil. The Congress Party has demanded the nullification of 2024 Indian general elections, allegedly fraud by the BJP through fake votes. A family of 5 Indian nationals were arrested in Nebraska of charges of human trafficking and child exploitation. They allegedly operate hotels and threatened victims with deportation. 27 victims were arrested.